In this video, I want to take a look at the above-the-line $250 educator deduction. It's been in law for several years, but in the CAA, the Consolidated Appropriations Act that just happened in December of 2020, the law instructed Treasury to provide expanded and additional guidance in the area of providing personal protective equipment and other supplies that a teacher has to use in a classroom be included in the definition of the $250. Now, the one thing I'll have to say to that is that you got to remember, if you're being reimbursed for this expense, it doesn't qualify for this 1040 above the line $250 deduction. But let's also take a look while we're here real quick, and let's just do a refresher on what qualifies for the educator deduction. First, it's got to be K through 12 teachers. A definition of teacher includes teachers, instructors, counselors, principals, and aides. Also, in order to claim this above-the-line deduction, it can't be reimbursed, as I mentioned earlier, and you have to, whoever's claiming this on a 1040, they have to put in at least 900 hours a year in order to qualify. And also on a married filing joint return, it is possible to get two $250 deductions. And probably the final note in the old law, that when you look up what is included for expenses, which was what this guidance is about, it's books, supplies, materials, computers, hardware, and software. And now we're going to add protective gear and any kind of protective equipment, supplies required to sanitize or maintain any health reasons in a classroom because of COVID-19. Again, it's just an expanded definition. Thank you. I hope this helps. Please subscribe and stay tuned for a continuation of various other videos.